Let's build an amazing future with construction AI. In 20 years' time, the construction industry could be entirely transformed. Generative AI will be integrated at every level. Autonomous AI-controlled drones swarms will assemble buildings at lightning speed, while an omniscient construction AI overmind oversees giant projects with maximum efficiency. Think of it as a neurohive, a decentralized AI mind that governs the design and construction of entire cities, thriving on a deep network of sensors and processors across all infrastructure. At every turn, the city is backed up to an AI-generated digital twin stored in the metaverse. 1 million AI-powered pieces collaborating to build unimaginable and ultra-efficient city infrastructure. Want to be inspired by the AI-enabled future of construction?